Hello, warm greetings and update here from the garden. Your Kuya Nakal here from Pangasinan, but growing and cooking here in Holland. Welcome to Channel Juan, your growing and cooking channel. I came here to bring the Christmas tree. I'm gonna replant it, but I just want to give you an update on our project growing tulips in warmer climates. The tulips here haven't emerged yet from the ground because it's still cold. Look at this. It's too cold that even the pond got frozen. Don't forget to come back for the crocus around February, and March the daffodils, and eventually in April for the tulips. For the meantime, let's have an update on the tulips that we are planting on a simulated warmer climate environment. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. As opaque as possible to simulate the ground. If you remember, we placed them in the fridge to simulate the cold temperatures here in Holland. They need cold temperature to chill for around 6 to 8 weeks. And into the fridge, the needed cold condition is not available in the tropics, so the refrigerator will help. The bulbs need approximately 6 to 8 weeks to chill, and it's time to bring them out. Has there been a progress? Let's see. Did they even sprout? No, they remain the same. They just need to chill or to sleep. No, hardly a growth. Now we're going to plant them here indoors, not outdoors, because indoors it's approximately 21 degrees inside, and that's the indoor temperature that we usually have in the tropics around this time of the year, around winter, around January to February. If you're curious with the result, don't forget to come back, subscribe, and get notified with every uploads we have. So click the notification bell so that you won't miss any upload. Gardening-oriented videos every Wednesday, and kitchen uploads Fridays. And if you prefer traveling, places, events, and cultures, my barrio, my mundo might be for you. Let's just water this and allow nature to take its course.
During the Great Depression, the climate of economic austerity also affected radio and sound.
And forget to clean up afterwards. Now, a challenge. Would you bring in dirt to your living room? And back to our garden shed. It may still take some time before we are able to cook here because it's still cold and they have cut off the water supply. The rest of the plants and trees are still sleeping, but this camellia is beginning to bud. I'm seeing flowers now. But for the meantime, join me again at the kitchen as I bring you dishes from the homeland and of the world here on Channel Juan. Your Kuya and Uncle, Romilo. Until next time. Bye-bye.